How to send text message or SMS using phone link. Here are the steps on how to send a text message or SMS using phone link. 1. Open the phone link app on your Windows 10 11's PC. 2. Click on the Messages tab. 3. Click on the New Message button. 4. Enter the recipient's phone number or contact name in the To field. 5. Enter your message in the Body field. 6. Click on the Send button. Your text message will be sent from your phone to the recipient. Here are some additional tips for sending text messages using phone link. Asterisk, you can use emojis, GIFs, and pictures in your text messages. Asterisk, you can reply to text messages that you receive on your phone. Asterisk, you can view your text message history on your PC. Asterisk, you can set up a notification for new text messages. I hope this helps.